Vikings restaurant is a luxury buffet that you can find in the country. This buffet restaurant offers a class and elegant dining experience. Actually, they are one of the most famous buffet restaurants in the Philippines. They started serving Filipino consumers in April 2011. Their first ever branch was launched in Mall of Asia in Pasay. With over 400 dishes that they serve prepared by their chefs, their price is surprisingly cheap. The current owner of this buffet restaurant is Pacific Apex Food Ventures Inc. They typically serve lunch that starts by 11 in the morning and ends at 2:30 p.m. Then dinner at 5:30 p.m. and ends by 10 p.m. Currently, they already have 10 branches in the Philippines, making them the largest buffet restaurant in the country. Let's start with their drinks. Vikings menu offers different selections of fruit juices and shakes. They also have Pepsi products and iced tea. Vikings has delightful selection of bread that are delicious to pair with some really good cheeses and cold cuts. The Japanese section serves the best tasting sashimi and sushi. They also have tempura, teriyaki, and sukiyaki. Then, if you are a fan of Italian food, their pasta and pizza station might interest you, as you can make your own pizza fresh and ready. For those who enjoy eating shabu shabu, you'll be glad to know that they have a shabu shabu station where you can choose what to put in your shabu shabu. Your choices of soup for that would be Singaporean laksa, tamarind, satay, and many more. From beef, pork loin, corn, lobster balls, vermicelli noodles, bok choy, and a lot more choices that will surely enjoy this shabu shabu station. The Vikings menu have also a Chinese section. They have wide selections of dim sum from sayapao and shumai, but the fried salt and pepper spur ribs are highly recommended. They also have patatim on their menu that is super tender and covered in a rich, sweet sauce. This goes well with rice. On their carving station, their boneless lechon is simply irresistible. For the desserts, they have a large number of them that you can choose from cakes, crepes, and petit fours. You can also customize your sundae. You can also create your own yogurt dessert if you are a little health conscious. Truly, Vikings are the best buffet restaurant where you can find good food. Birthdays have to be celebrated, and the great thing is Vikings have their birthday promotion. Birthday celebrants can eat free on the day of their birthday, available for lunch and dinner as long as they are accompanied by one full-paying guest. All you have to do is to present valid IDs such as a driver's license, SSS, and passport. For more informative short videos, please do watch our other 3-minute travel guide series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.